Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating an animated food promo like this. So let's get started. First, create a new composition. I'll call this one Render. And the preset I'm using is 1920 by 1080 with a duration of 10 seconds. Hit OK. If you enjoy my content, please consider supporting me on Patreon for only $5. It really helps a lot. Now import the footage file, drag it into the folder icon to create a new folder, rename it to Footage to keep things organized. Next, drag the BG image into the timeline, then lock the BG layer. Now create a rectangle, set the fill to none, and stroke to 5, centralize it, and convert it into a 3D layer. Then expand the properties, change the size to 200, expand the transform properties, change the anchor point's third value to 100, and also change the position's third value to 100. Now duplicate the shape, change the X rotation value to 90, and switch to 2 view mode. Duplicate the shape again, change the X rotation value to 180, duplicate the shape one more time, and change the X rotation value to 270. Hold C to view the 3D box. Then switch back to 1 view mode and adjust the box angle. Next, create a null layer, convert it into 3D, select all the shape layers and parent them to the null object. Press S for scale and increase the scale value, like this. Now select the anchor point tool and adjust the anchor point to the center of the box. Then create a new composition. I'll call this Product. Set the width to 800 and the height to 800. Hit OK. Drag in the burger PNG, adjust it to the center, and increase the scale value. Next, drag the product composition into the timeline. Reduce the scale value to 70 and position it in the center. Make sure one of the rectangles is in front of the burger image to create some depth inside the box. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for Fast Box Blur, and apply it to the shape layer. Then search for the glow effect and apply that too. Also search for the drop shadow effect and apply it. Now change the blur radius to 1, set the glow threshold to 70, and change the drop shadow softness to 20. Select all the effects and copy them. Then paste them onto the other 3 shape layers. Now type your text, select the text tool, and paste your text, or feel free to type anything you like. I'm using the Barlow condensed font. Convert the text into 3D and adjust it like this. Change the color to orange. Now type the description text. Adjust it as well and convert it into 3D. Pre-compose the text. I'll name it text and convert it into 3D. I've roughly adjusted the alignment, but you can take your time and align it properly. Now parent the text composition to the null object. Rename the null to main. Press R for rotation and start animating. Go 1 second forward and create a keyframe. Then go back to the very first second and change the rotation values. Copy the first keyframe and paste it here. Select all keyframes and apply Easy Ease. Then open the graph editor and edit the speed graph. It should look something like this. Hold the Alt or Option key and type the loop out expression. Then type the ping pong expression inside the brackets. Let's add some highlights now. Select the rectangle tool and create a shape. Like this. Tweak the rotation slightly, then duplicate it and move it to the upper part of the frame. Create a new composition. I'll call it text pattern. And type in your offer. Now go back to the render composition. Drag the text pattern into the timeline. Change the text color to gray. Apply the motion tile effect. Increase the output width and height to 1500. Change the scale to 50. And give a slight tweak to the rotation. Reorder the layers a bit. And reduce the opacity to 50. Then animate the position like this. Enable motion blur on all layers. Create a new adjustment layer and apply the glow effect. Now let's add some rotation animation to the product composition. Copy the first keyframe and paste it here. Select all keyframes and apply Easy Ease. Hold the Alt or Option key and type the same loop out expression. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to support me on Patreon. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.